Rabbit Without Ears. Rabbit Without Ears German title, Keinohrhasen, lit. No-Ear Rabbits, is a 2007 German romantic comedy film, written, produced, and directed by Til Schweiger, co-written by Anika Decker, and starring Nora Tschirner and Schweiger himself. The story of the film revolves around yellow press reporter Ludo and his ex-classmate Anna, who reconvene after years when he is sentenced to 300 hours of community service at her daycare facility. Produced by Barefoot Films and Warner Bros. The film premiered in theaters across Germany on 20 December 2007 and became a surprise box office hit, eventually grossing $74 million, mostly from its domestic run. By 20 April 2008, Keinohrhasen had reached over 6 million viewers, ranking it sixth on the list of the most successful German films in Germany since the beginning of the audience census in 1968. Also a critical success. The film was awarded the Goldene Leinwand, a Bogey Award, the Deutscher Comedypreis, and a Bambi, and received a nomination for the Audience Award at the European Film Awards 2008. A sequel entitled Rabbit Without Ears 2 was released on 3 December 2009. Plot: Ludo Decker Schweiger is a Berlin-based yellow press reporter. With photographer Moritz, his daily routine is to spy on celebrities for the tabloid Das Blatt. He also uses his work for frequent sexual contacts with his objects of interest. Ludo and Moritz are on scene at the engagement party of heavyweight boxer and celebrity Vladimir Klitschko and Yvonne Katterfeld. As Klitschko raises his glass to toast his fiancée, Ludo breaks through the glass dome roof and tumbles into the cake, to the great consternation of the guests. For this offense, he is sentenced to 300 hours of community service at a local kindergarten daycare. There he encounters kindergarten director Anika Decker, who grew up in the same neighborhood as Ludo and frequently endured his pranks and mockery. She exacts revenge for these childhood torments by assigning him to perform humiliating tasks. With his parole at stake, Ludo has no choice but to comply. Nevertheless, he remains interested in one-night stands and has an affair with Nina, mother of Shy and Blue, one of the children in his charge. Eventually, tensions between Anna and Ludo dissipate and the two become friends. When Anna's date with another man goes awry, she appears at Ludo's flat seeking comfort. The two of them end up in bed, yet Anna's hopes that this will develop into something more serious are dashed, as Ludo sees her only as a friend. Anna subsequently meets actor Jurgen Vogel in a park and starts dating him. When she accompanies Vogel to the German Film Awards ceremony, Ludo reports that she is the most beautiful woman in attendance, instead of covering female celebrities his editor-in-chief deems more newsworthy. The editor summarily fires him. Ludo comes to realize that he feels more for Anna than he had previously thought. During a children's festival at a local theater, he crashes a performance and professes his love for her as sits in the audience with the children. Having lost his job at the tabloid, he takes a position at the kindergarten. Cast: Til Schweiger as Ludo Decker, a well-known yellow press reporter and libertine who is sentenced to 300 hours of community service in a local daycare facility run by his ex-classmate Anika Decker. Ludo is Latin for I play. His character was conceptualized as a comedic tour de force for Schweiger. Nora Tschirner as Anika Decker, Ludo's ex-classmate and head of a daycare for, who initially harbors an improbable resentment of Ludo, having not overcome his teasing over 20 years ago. Schweiger created the role of Anna specifically with Tschirner in mind, citing her one of the best screen actresses in Germany. Matthias Schweighöfer as Moritz, a paparazzo and friend of Ludo. Ulrike Hofels as Miriam Steinfeld, a colleague and friend of Anna. Barbara Rudnick as Lily Decker, Ludo's elder Decker, Ludo's elder Decker, Ludo's elder Decker, Ludo's elder Decker, Ludo's elder, those elder, those elder, those elder, those elder. Paul Maximilian Scheller as Lalo. Lily's Emma Til Schweiger as Cheyenne Blue, a child at the daycare facility. Bridget Zay as Nina, Cheyenne Blues, Cheyenne Blues. Lily Camille Schweiger as Satcha, another child at the daycare facility, air facility, facility, air facility, 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 air facility, facility. Luna Marie Schweiger as young Anna. Valentin Florian Schweiger as young Ludo. Rick Cavanian as the choleric chief editor of the tabloid Das Blatt. Jurgen Vogel as himself. Christian Tramitz as Anna's date. W. Vladimir Klitschko as himself. Yvonne Katterfeld as herself. Wolfgang Stumpf as a taxi driver. Armin Road as Bello. Fari Agon Yardim as Mucky. Kylan Trott as a taxi driver. Sansi New as a judge. Pasquale Alirdi as Ludo's attorneys, 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 attorney, attorney, attorneys, 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 attorney. Paul Van Dyck as DJ Paul Van Dyck. Alina Olig as a hotel worker. Gregor Blob as Michai Nussbaumer, a folk musician. Dina Prohl as Daniela Berg, Michai's, and Sophie Briest as Mandy, a headline-making Ministerluder, Soundtrack. Music from the motion picture album. Track listing. Mr. Brightside Jack Lou Kantz, Thin White Duke Mix The Killers 848, Deepest Blue 3, 24. Is It Love Stefan Hansen, Dirk Reichert, Mirko Schaffer 2, 18. Anna and Ludo Hold Me Now Ria Garve 1, 47. Springtimes Stefan Hansen, Dirk Reichert, Mirko Schaffer 2, 56. Lifeline Angels and Airwaves 416. Autumn Leaves Stefan Hansen, Dirk Reichert, Mirko Schaffer 1, 42, 42, 42, 42. Everybody's Changing Keen 335. Looking for Atlantis Prefab Sprout 4, 3. Rain Stefan Hansen, Dirk Reichert, Mirko Schaffer 1, 18. I Still Remember Block Party 4, 20 T. 20 T4 20. Liquid Stefan Hansen, Dirk Reichert, Mirko Schaffer 143. Everything's Magic Angels and Airwaves 3, 51. Sometimes Stefan Hansen, Dirk Reichert, Mirko Schaffer 159. Sad Song au revoir Simone 4, 7. Apologize Timbaland presents One Republic 3, 4. A Rainy Day in Vancouver Stefan Hansen, Dirk Reichert, Mirko Schaffer 138. Rocket Brothers Kashmir 5, 2077. Perfect Circle Stefan Hansen, Dirk Reichert, Mirko Schaffer 2, 57. Cheyenne Blue Stefan Hansen, Dirk Reichert, Mirko Schaffer 1, 40, 140. 40, for 140, 40. Der Zauberlehrling Junge Dichter and Denker 3, 54. Charts. Year in charts. Certifications. The title. While doing handicraft at the daycare center, Ludo sews a stuffed rabbit without ears. As Anna criticizes him for it, he points at the fact that another rabbit made by the child. Anna thereupon claims that it is a Keinohrhasen, a no-ears rabbit, which is able to hear through its nose. This scene was also used for the first teaser trailer. A rare earless rabbit born in February 2012 at a zoo in Limbach, Oberfrohna, Saxony was named Till in reference to this film's title and its director. The baby rabbit was accidentally crushed when a television cameraman stepped on him, an event that was briefly the subject of international media coverage. American Remake. In January 2010, Schweiger sold the rights for the U.S. remake of Keinohrhasen to Newmarket Entertainment, as he stated he hopes to direct the film and to engage Ben Affleck as leading man. Awards 2008, Goldene Leinwand mit Stern for more than 6 million viewers. 2008, Bogey Awards in Gold for 3 million viewers within 30 days. 2008, Ernst Lubitsch Prize, Lubitsch Prize. 2010, Bronze Palm Award at the Mexico International Film Festival.